Window decoration has become an important part of interior decorating of the house. Most people refer to this interior decoration as window treatments. When considering window coverings, there are four main categories: curtains, drapes, shades, and blinds. Some individuals may use these terms interchangeably, particularly when comparing drapes and curtains. Nevertheless, although all four options can complement various decorating styles and room types, each possesses unique attributes. Before going any further on how to choose the right window treatment for your room, you need to know the similarities and differences of curtains, drapes, shades, and blinds in order to know the nature and character of each type. The first type of window treatment we will discuss is curtain. Curtains are fabric panels that are commonly sold and hung in pairs. They come in various widths, lengths, fabrics, colors, and patterns. Curtains are a versatile and widely favored option for all rooms in a home, including bathrooms and kitchens. They have the ability to create a softer ambience while also introducing vibrant shades and textures. Curtains are suspended from a rod, which may have a simple or ornate design. Certain curtains are equipped with a fabric pocket at the top that slides over the rod, concealing it when closed. These curtains are commonly known as sheers since their fabric allows for minimal light obstruction and privacy. An illustration of sheers would be the short curtains that solely cover the lower section of a window above a kitchen sink. Conversely, other curtains are crafted from denser materials and are often marketed as blackout curtains due to their ability to effectively filter out a majority of light. In some cases, curtains can be combined with blinds or shades to maximize light blocking, particularly in bedrooms. Now let's move on to drapes. Drapes, similar to curtains, serve the purpose of blocking light, providing privacy, and enhancing the visual appeal of a room. They are commonly sold in pairs as window treatments. Like curtains, drapes are hung from a rod using rings, hooks, grommets, or a fabric sleeve. Curtains and drapes vary in their characteristics. Drapes, in particular, are commonly crafted with a lining of thick fabric to effectively obstruct external light. Additionally, the fabric used for drapes is typically weighty and somewhat rigid, often composed of materials like velvet, damask, or silk. While patterns can be found, drapes generally feature solid or textured designs instead of intricate prints. Drapes are an ideal choice for bedrooms due to their ability to block out light. However, both drapes and curtains can be suitable for living rooms and other areas, depending on your preferences and the desired aesthetic. Often referred to as draperies, these window coverings are usually long enough to extend from just above the window to the floor. They can even create a slight pulling effect on the floor. Nevertheless, it's important to note that there is no strict requirement for drapes to touch the floor. This is purely a matter of personal style. We continue to shades. Shades are commonly sold individually and are available in different fabric types. However, they can also be made from materials such as vinyl or bamboo. These shades are attached to a rod or frame and are sized to fit within the window frame. Unlike drapes or curtains, which hang below the sill, shades are specifically designed to be installed within the window frame. In order to allow light to enter and provide a view of the outside, it is necessary to elevate the shade using one of three methods: a cord, roller, or lifting mechanism. As the shade is raised, it will gather or wrap around a rod, depending on the specific style of the shade. Basic roller shades are a cost-effective option, as the material rolls around a rod positioned at the top. There are also other popular types of shades available, such as Roman shades, which are raised into deep pleats, balloon shades, which form a poof of fabric, and tie-up shades, which can be secured in an open position using a fabric tie. It's time for the last type of the window treatments, that is blinds. Blinds and shades have similar functionalities, as they both lift up and down using a cord or other mechanism. However, blinds are distinct in that they are not made of a single piece of material. Instead, blinds consist of slats, also known as louvers, which can be tilted open to allow light or closed for privacy and darkness. Unlike shades, blinds offer the convenience of being able to see through them without fully raising them simply by tilting the slats open. Blinds with blind slats typically come in 3 standard depths: 1 2-inch, 1 inch, or 2 inches. The blinds are designed to fit within the window frame in terms of length and width. Although horizontal slats are more commonly seen in blinds, there are also blinds available with vertical slats. These vertical slat blinds are commonly used for sliding patio doors or large sliding windows. When evaluating the light-blocking capabilities of drapes, curtains, and blinds, all 3 options are effective to a certain degree. Nevertheless, blinds may allow some light to penetrate through the gaps between slats and along the edges. Despite this, blinds can still be a viable choice for bedrooms, particularly when paired with curtains to provide enhanced light obstruction. Thus, an introduction to several types of window treatments that are generally available in the market. There are still several other types of window coverings which will be discussed in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.